Assalamu alaikum students. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to your basis online video class. I hope you all are well. I'm your English language teacher Sharmin Rahman from Campus 1 Standard 6. So let us start the class. Today we are going to start the discussion we just left over. We started the chapter 13 kinds of sentences, and this one is part 3 lesson. Let us just summarize the lessons which we have completed so far. We got to know the kinds of sentences and the definition and examples for each. And the next part we got to learn about the transformation of sentences, and that was assertive to interrogative. Now today we are going to learn about something more of transformation. So let's see. Imperative to assertive sentences. So we know that imperative sentences are those sentences which certainly gives us command or order, advice, and request. Those sentences, if we are changing it to assertive, that means declarative sentence. There's some rules for that, and let's see what are they. First one, if we find the word please or kindly in imperative sentence, we will write you are requested to at the time. In the case of affirmative sentence, if it is in assertive, if it is showing affirmative, then we will write you are requested to, and you are requested not to in the case of negative sentences, instead of the word please or kindly, to convert the imperative sentence into assertive, or we say declarative sentence. Let's see, for example, imperative, please give me a glass of water. So if we change it to assertive, that means declarative sentence, what will it look like? You are requested not to you are requested to give me a glass of water. Okay, let's see another example. Don't tell a lie. So you can see it's a negative, so we are going to make it like this way. You are requested not to tell a lie. Okay, you are requested not to tell a lie. So this way you are going to change these imperative sentences to assertive. Let's see another rule for that. All right, so if we find that imperative sentence is starting with main verb, okay, with the main verb, there won't be any subject, so it's starting with a main verb, we will write the assertive sentence using should and must. You can use should or must, okay, to convert the imperative sentence into assertive sentence. Let's see example. Go to the doctor. So you can see go is our main verb, so it started with go to the doctor. So if we make it assertive, it will be look like this. You should go to the doctor. Okay, we added subject at the beginning, and then we added should. You can also write you must go to the doctor. You should go to the doctor. Okay, let's see another example. Take care of your health. Take care of your health. So if we make it assertive, it becomes like you should take care of your health. You should take care of your health. Okay, so let's see another one. Okay, so here you can see a structure over here. Start with do not plus main verb becomes subject plus should plus or must plus not plus verb plus object or extra. Let's see. If we find that imperative sentence is starting with do not main verb, do not plus main verb, we will write the assertive sentence using should not or must not to convert the imperative sentence into assertive sentence. Let's see example. Don't break the rules. Okay, so don't break the rules. Don't, and with the don't do not, we have a main verb which is break. So if we make it assertive, it becomes like this. You shouldn't or you should not break the rules. So as I showed you in the structure, that If it is do not and plus verb, main verb, then we change it like this way. We add a subject at the beginning and then we write should or must and then not and then plus verb and then extra. So it becomes like this way. You should not break the rules. Another example, don't forget the time. So don't forget the time. So it will be like this way, right? You should try by yourself, like you shouldn't forget the time, right? You must not or you shouldn't, both are correct. So as I showed you, should not and must not, you can use it. So you must not forget the time. Never tell a lie. So it becomes like this way. You must not tell a lie. So never tell a lie becomes you must not tell a lie. Let's see another one. We have, if we find that imperative sentence is starting with let. Okay, it's an important one. If we find the imperative sentence is starting with let, we will write assertive sentence using should in the case of affirmative sentence and should not in the case of negative sentence to convert the imperative sentence into assertive sentence. Okay, so the consequences are this way, like if you see is late in imperative, then to change it assertive we have to use should at the beginning if it is affirmative and should not if it is negative. Let's see example. Let us respect our teacher, right? You should. So let us respect our teacher, it becomes like this way. We should respect our teacher, right? We should respect our teacher. Another one, let us not break the traffic rules. So this becomes a negative sentence. So what we should do now, we should use should not, right? So we should not break the traffic rules. We should not break the traffic rules. Okay, so you have to do this, and I forgot to write a full stop over there, so you shouldn't do it. Okay, write a full stop over there, give a full stop. I forgot to do it, so pardon me. So let's see. Now we got to see a lot of rules. So to memorize these rules is very tough thing, right? So for that I have made this shortcut method for you so that you can memorize the rules easily. Okay, so write it down and make a practice for it. Okay, you should practice more and more so that you can memorize the rules easily. Let's see. Interchange of assertive and imperative sentence. See, number 1, please and kindly. We are summarizing the whole rules. Okay, we got to know. So first one, you can see please or kindly. So what we do, we did this, you are requested to. If it is affirmative, we will write you are requested to, and if it is negative, then we will write you are requested not to, right? Okay, let's see the second one. Second rule, start with main verb. And start with main verb, then what we did, we added subject and then should and then must plus verb plus object, right? Okay, so again I'm saying that if it is started with main verb, we change it like we added subject and then should or must, right? And then plus verb plus object. Okay, and number 3, we saw that start with do not plus main verb. Started with do not plus main verb, then what we did, we added subject and then should, must, and then not plus verb plus object. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you got benefited, and please to keep trying and practicing. Goodbye.